They are taking water from the local people, they are saying. That means local people, domestic water is being used for commercial purposes. Now I received a complaint from a local yesterday that they ate something and the child suffered from diarrhea. So I decided to call the FDA. I called the FDA today morning at the office. They connected to in charge of South Goa. She told me the officers are coming. So the officers accordingly have come and inspected, and they said they have found more than 16 stalls which are supplying food, cooking, supplying. There is no toilets. They are giving us an excuse for toilets. They are going all the way to the beach.
FDAन कंप्लेनीचेर सोमतीच ॲक्शन घेतली.
It is pertaining to a complaint filed by Madam. We had inspected the premises. We found that the premises were without any registration certificate. So we have closed on entire operation of the.
How many you checked the stalls?
Almost 16 stalls are there.
Total. And how many you want to notice for the?
We have issued notice for everyone.
Yeah.
For without running without license and hygienic conditions. Yeah. We have asked them. We have closed down the premises.
वाळपय नगरपालिकेन दसऱ्या निमतान मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्सा भायर फुलां घेवन बसतल्यांचो माल उबारलो. मार्केटा भितर बसतल्यांनी कागाळ केल्ली.
आम्ही मारे खूप भरपूर माळ हाडल्या. हे दसऱ्याची दिवाळी या आसा म्हणून हे आता ते म्युनिसिपालिटी सगळे भरून व्हरता, त्रास करता. कितें करपाची?
भितर बसून गिरेक जायना न्हू. आम्ही काय करू? या पण भायर उडयचेलो. संगा बसले एक दिन म्हाका उठे येता. मार्केटाच्या भायर गेला केन्नाच ना 4 वर्सां जाली हांगा त्रास करता. असो लोक ना
न्हू आता हय हांगा आसा पळय तेंचे तुमी उखलून व्हेले ऑलरेडी थंय आनी हेंका कित्याक एलाव केले तुमी हांगा बसपाक?
ना आज सणाक लागून बसलेले उकल म्हणले.
सणाक म्हणजे ती बसलेली ती सणाक लागूनच बसलेली मरे फुटपाथाचे. ते आपल्या पोटा खातीर बसलेले मग तांकां कित्याक उखलले तुमी? तेंचे कित्याक सीज केले तुमी?
मुन्सिपालिटी उकलले.
प्रुडंटा खातीर कोलवा सावन सावयो डायस आनी वाळपयच्यान महादेव जोशी.